problem was fixed in a couple of minutes, but it took forever to find the problem. This is a common issue for network engineering teams. Voice Assure Realtime puts the control in your hands and lets you test your numbers anytime, anywhere. Troubleshooting phone numbers has never been so easy. With servers in over 70 countries, Spearline's Voice Assure Realtime will replicate your customer's experience by placing in-country calls to your customer support and sales teams. Voice Assure Realtime is simple to use, and within minutes you can be checking your numbers for potential connection problems. How does it work? On the Spearline platform, you will find the Voice Assure softphone and a reporting table of previously dialed numbers and relevant information which you can filter down. You can choose between a fixed line or GSM network to place a test call. First, we need to select the country. In this case, we will use Ireland. We need to select the number type, in this case a toll number. Then we can start entering the number we are going to call. You can either use the keypad on the softphone or just use the numbers on your keyboard. If you make a mistake, you can delete the numbers and start again. The format number option adds the correct country code prefix to your number. You can also add an IVR traversal to the test if you are negotiating a call prompt at the other end of the line. Once ready to place a test call, press the green call button. The test will run and you can see the call connecting. In the test call, you have options to put the call on hold. You can pull up the number keypad to negotiate an IVR traversal manually, and you can also mute the call. Then, to hang up and finish the test, press the red hang up button. Once the call is completed, the details of the number you tested will show up in the report here. This shows you who the user is, the number that was dialed, the call type, start time and end time of the call, the number type, and the state, whether the call connected or not. We can also listen back to the test call here. You can download the test call audio and redial the number if needed. You can also add the number to the automated testing part of the platform from here. With the filters at the top, you can filter by date, country, user, number type and call type. As you can see, Spearline's Voice Assure Realtime is easy to navigate and use. You can be set up and testing numbers in no time. Spearline allows teams to recreate a fault, generating not only critical CDRs, but also an event recording to capture audio quality, tones, or prompts encountered from a network or IVR. Spearline allows teams to verify in real time call connection, call quality, DTMF transmission, and CLI presentation. Contact our sales team today and start testing your numbers now.